Hey guys, welcome back to Two Wheels Paradise. This is Meshak and we are in Murang'a County today. I've just remembered something. The most important piece of motorcycle safety gear, and it is one of the most ignored. This thing you see right here is very, very important. Yesterday this thing was very clean, had been washed, but can you see how dirty it looks right now? All this is dust that was supposed to be in my lungs. This was supposed to be in my lungs, and I will tell you why. Yeah, this world is beautiful if only you travel. Very, very beautiful. This is Murang'a County. Very beautiful landscape. I don't even know which direction I'm heading. Just following the road to wherever the heck it will take me. This thing you see me holding right here is a mask. It is also called balaclava. Balaclava. It is part of your motorcycle gear, but a lot of people do not spend money on this. And it is the cheapest. Look at this jacket. A brand new jacket like this one will cost you between 18 to 25,000, depending on the quality, depending on the brand. But this thing costs you only 1,000 shillings. Less than $10. Less than $10. This one. And a lot of people ignore this thing, thinking that you can run away with it. But I want you to note that all this dust you see, this thing, you can see these two colors are not the same. You see, these two colors are not the same. Yeah, this one and this one, they're not the same. This part is very, very dirty, and it is just yesterday I was riding and today I'm riding. It's still early in the morning, but all this dust you see here was supposed to have penetrated through my my nostrils into my lungs. Second, the other part, the dust, was supposed to be on my neck. On my neck. This thing protects you from health hazards. Not from accidents, but from health hazards. When it is very cold in the morning, this thing guards your neck from cold. It guards your nose from breathing cold air, very, very cold air. Because as you can see, it has some filter from the inside. This thing is some kind of rubber, and this is some mesh, some filter. Whatever goes through these two layers, are they two or three? Some like 3 layers of mesh here that is supposed to filter every particle, every dust before it gets to your lungs. Because you are riding, you are breathing, you open your visor, a lot of things should get into your lungs. The upper part guards your face up to this point. So if you wear glasses like myself, of which you should wear glasses when you're riding, even if you don't have problem with eyesight, you should have some riding glasses to protect your eyes. When you're wearing glasses and you're wearing this thing, you are technically covered completely. When you wear your helmet, you cannot get any dust or any weed through to your lungs. Something else, rock particles and insects and other stuff that are flying all over when you're riding tend to target your neck, because when you wear your helmet, it doesn't cover your neck. Your neck is left exposed. Between the jacket and the helmet, there is a tiny space where wind penetrates and your neck becomes very, very cold. And that's why some people are always sick with some flu, some cold you can't even explain. It's because they are not wearing this thing. I want you to see this. Look at this when I wear. When I wear this, I am supposed to tuck it in the jacket all the way around from back to the front. You tuck it in completely. You make sure you zip up the jacket to the top. There is a safety button somewhere here. You zip it up. Yes, perfect. Zip the other one. Can you see? Can you see what I'm talking about? Now I'm left with this. Even if a particle comes flying, an insect or whatever it is, there is no way my body is gonna get into contact with anything. Can you see the way I look? You see, I'm protected completely. Now when I wear the helmet, every space that the helmet leaves open, my skin is covered by this thing. I am covered. You don't feel cold, you don't get dirty, your helmet doesn't get dirty inside from your sweat. Because remember, when you're riding and it is hot, you also sweat. So there is a cushion between your head and the helmet. There is a cushion between wind and your skin. There is a filter between your nose and the wind. If you are riding off-road like myself, I am an off-road rider, you tend to go through very, very dusty places. Wind is so strong, like in Naivasha, Logonaut, somewhere, Kajiado, the wind is so strong. It is blowing off everything, rocks or whatever. Your skin doesn't get into contact with anything that is blown by the wind. And it is because of this thing. So, in your budget for motorcycle gear, make sure you have an extra 1,000 or 2,000 for two of these. At least you should have two. Because when you clean this today, you still need to ride. You have something else to wear. But remember, every time you take your bike out, have this one. It is going to protect you from unnecessary flu and bacteria and infections and stuff that get to your lungs. Because when you go through like Nairobi streets, where sometimes we have sewage flowing over the tarmac and stuff, it becomes dry, becomes some particles, it is blown by wind, it gets to your nose and into your lungs, you get infected. But when you have this, there is no way anything is going to get to your lungs, because every ounce of air you breathe have to go through this, and it goes through this as a filter. This is a filter. It is going to make sure there are no particles getting to your lungs. And again, even if you're riding with your visor open, you will not get strong wind getting to your lungs. So you're protected from flu, from bacteria, from infections, from a lot of stuff. Just have this. It is called a balaclava and it costs less than $10. See you around. I'm out of here.